everyone. I know that normally I focus more on like the fall holidays, but I was in Pier 1 the other day and I saw how expensive wreaths were, and I thought I would show you guys how to make a simple, cheap wreath from Dollar Tree. The wreath that I saw there was $35, and it is burlap and it has eggs over it. So Dollar Tree right now has these burlap ribbons. They're 9 feet. So I got those. The form is egg-shaped. They actually have wire forms that are available at Dollar Tree as well. I was playing with it in the store just to see if I could get it to an egg, and all I did was squish this together. And as you can see, it's more of an oval than a round shape. And then the wreath has eggs all over it. So at Dollar Tree, I also found these picks. Now the one that's at Pier 1, it has like pastel colored eggs. They look like they're just like a really light pink, a really light yellow, and a white. But I really like the colors of spring. I like to have a lot of different colors, so I picked these. But at Dollar Tree, there's probably 15 to 20 different variations of eggs, whether they're sparkly, picks, plastic, pastel colors. If you want it to look exactly like the one at Pier 1, you can do that as well. And then I've got glue gun here and some glue sticks. So first, I'm going to wrap the burlap around, since that one had a burlap background. So again, for this, I just squish the frame in from the circle. Didn't take a lot of effort. And then I'll take my burlap ribbon here. And Dollar Tree also had different color of burlap ribbon. They had pink, they had this natural color, they also had blue. If you wanted to make it even more colorful, you definitely have that option. They had a lot of different pastel color ribbons as well. And I'm just going to tuck the burlap. I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue. Just to press it on itself so that it stays attached. That looks good. And then I'm going to wrap it all around. I bought a few different spools of this because I don't know how much it's going to take, and I don't want you to be able to see the wire frame, so I may even have to double and triple up when I'm wrapping this around. Okay, so this is how it should look. I'm going to continue to wrap that, and I'll be back. So, in order to double up to where you can't see the wire, I actually had to run out and grab another one of these. So, if you want to double up where you can't see the wire too, not double up so much, but overlap, you'll need 4 of these. But what was cool about that is when I went to Dollar Tree to pick up another piece of ribbon, they had this cute little guy. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put him on the wreath, like cut his little head off, maybe just below the bow tie, put him on here and put all the eggs around him. So it was actually a good thing that I ran out of ribbon, because now I get to add another decorative element for $1. I have wrapped everything in burlap, and I used some hot glue and attached my little bunny head. He's felt. You can see him from the back there. And then now I'm going to take all my eggs, and I'm going to attach those around. Just going to pull these out and just kind of make a circle all the way around. I'm going to just put a little dab of hot glue. Watch out with your hot glue though. These are styrofoam. Clean that little guy off. These are styrofoam, so the hot glue, if it's too hot, can actually burn through them. So what I usually do is I put the super glue actually onto the material, and then I press the egg on, versus putting the super glue on the egg and then trying to push it through. It seems like if you do that, it starts burning more of the styrofoam. If you put it on here, it's actually a little bit cool, and you can let it be a little bit more cool before you actually press it to it. So I'm going to follow this around all the way. Do that opposite way with other eggs and do them in alternating colors. Once that's complete, I'll be back with you guys and we'll see what the finished product looks like. So I finished attaching all of the eggs with the hot glue and I just alternated them, but this is our finished product. We have $9 in total in supplies from Dollar Tree. Again, they had different colored burlap at Dollar Tree if you want to change that up. They have different types of eggs, and this little guy, of course, would be optional. All in total, this probably takes about, I would say, about 20 minutes maybe. And it's something that all ages can do. You just have to watch them with the hot glue gun. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Wanted to pop in. Again, I know I usually do fall, but when I saw the price of these wreaths, I thought there's got to be something else we can do. So, I will see you guys on the next one.